Students, how are you? Education is the foundation which will build the future. Everyone knows it. If you will be good educated, if you will achieve good education, soon you will be make your future bright. Okay? With the same chapter, arithmetic progression, today I am going to start an exercise. Before starting the exercise, you should know what is inside the exercise. Here you will find nth term of the AP, means number of the terms, and value of the term, which is at which place. Okay, such kind of things you will find with the help of the formula. But you should know how a series is written, because it explained in your previous video. The series was A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. This is your infinite number. This series has infinite terms. You don't know at the place of this term what is the value of this term. Okay, you don't know value of this term, because without using a formula you cannot determine this term is belongs at which place. You don't know. So here a series is written that has infinite terms, and the series is A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on, A plus and minus 1D. Now this series has finite terms. Here terms are limited because large term is given. When a series has large term, it means the series has limited terms. So how many terms are belong between large term and first term? And what is the value of the term between large term and first term? So by using the formula, A is equal to A plus and minus 1 into D. By using this formula, you will find another formula. When you will put the value of large term, the formula is A plus and minus 1 into D. By using these two formulas, you will solve your exercise. Okay? Video exercise 5.2. First question is filling the blanks. So in your book, there is a table where values of the series is missing, and I have picked up the values. I am here. A is equal to, means first term is 7, common difference 3, number of terms are 8, and an means nth term is missing. So first write solution. Write the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put your values in the series because you have to find the value of an. A is 7 plus in bracket n is 8 minus 1 into common difference D is 3. Is 7 plus 7, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. Is 7 plus 21, it means is equal to 28. So an is equal to 28, means n terms are 28. That is your answer. In second part of the same question, where first term 18 minus 18.9, common difference 2.5, number of terms are missing. and nth term is 3.6. Here first as solution, write the formula. A is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values in the formula. An is equal to means 3.6 is equal to a is minus 18.9 plus in bracket n minus 1, n means and is not given minus 1 into d. D is 2.5. Calculate it. 3.6 minus that will become plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Add it, that will become 9 plus 6, 15 point is 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. 2.5 is the whole common of n minus 1. Delta transport it in denominator of LHS, that it means 22.5 upon 2.5 is equal to n minus 1. Here you can see little denominators. After there is a decimal after one digit, you can cancel them. Okay, and now divided by 25. 25, 9 225. Now 9 is equal to n minus 1. Then 9 plus 1 is equal to n. It means n is equal to 10. So number of terms are 10 in the given series. Okay, let us see next question of the same exercise. Question number 2, choose the correct option. But here I have not mentioned options, so directly I have written a series where 30 term of the AP is 10, 7, 4, 8, so on. Okay, so here you have to find number of terms, means and term. First write solution. Here n is equal to means number of terms in this series is 30, and first term a is 10, and common difference d means second term minus first term, that is minus 3. Okay, now write the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is not given, and there you are also going to find n value of an. Now put the values in the formula. A means 10 plus in bracket n minus 1, n means 30 minus 1 into common difference is minus 3. 10 plus 30 minus 1 means 29 into minus 3. 10 plus into minus means minus 29 is 87. 10 minus 87 means minus 77. It means nth term is minus 77. Nth term is minus 77. So here 30th term is minus 77. That is your answer. Okay, that was the question. Find 30 term. So in this series you have to find the value of the term which is at the place of 30. So the value of that term is which is at the place of 30 minus 77. Let us solve the next question. With next question number 4, which term of the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. Here what is 78? 78 is an. An is equal to 78. And A is 3 and first term 3, common difference is second term minus first term, that is 5. Now Write the formula. A is equal to a plus and minus 1 into d. Put the values. A is equal to 78 is equal to a3 plus and is not given minus 1 into common difference is 5. 78 after transforming plus bringing an LHS it will become minus 3 is equal to and minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 that will be 75 is equal to and minus 1 into 5. Here 5 is the whole common of and minus 1, then it will be transferred in denominator of LHS. This 5 is equal to n minus 1. Now 5 under 5 and 5 under 5 are factor 25, it means n 15 is equal to n minus 1, then 15 plus 1 is equal to n, then n is equal to 16. So 16th term is 78. That is your answer. Here question was asking which term of AP is 78. So here you get the 16th term of the AP is 78. That is your answer. Let us solve next question. Next question is 8 and AP consists of 50 terms, means total number of terms in this series are 50. Okay. Of which third term is 12. Recall it in your mind. Third term is 12. So with the help of this statement we will write first equation. Here third term means n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 12. Okay. So with the help of the formula, an is equal to a plus and minus 1 into d. An is equal to 12 is equal to a is not given plus and is 3 minus 1 into common difference d. 12 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 is 2 d. This is first equation. Okay. Now last term is 106. Here n is equal to 106 and in this series when you are calculating with the last term is the it means you are talking about total number of terms and total number of terms are 50, means n is equal to 50. Okay. With the help of this data you have to write another equation. Write the formula n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where last term 106 is equal to a first term is not given plus and number of terms is 50 minus 1 into common difference d. 106 is equal to a plus 49d. This is second equation. With the help of the second equations you will solve it. Equation second minus equation first. Okay. Equation second, 106 is equal to a plus 49d minus equation first, 12 is equal to a plus 2d and subtract it, then put sign minus, then a minus a cancel out. 106 minus 12 that is 94 is equal to 49d minus 2d is 47d. Now 94 upon 47
is equal to D. 47 on the 47 to the 94. Then D is equal to 2. Now you have a common difference. D is 2. With the help of the equation first. With the help of the equation first, you put the value of common difference D in equation first, then you get first term. Value of first term. So 12 is equal to A plus 2D. D is 2. Okay. With the help of the equation first. Okay. A 12 is equal to A plus 2D. 12 is equal to A plus 2 into D. D is 12. 2. Now 12 is equal to A plus 4. Then 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. It means A is equal to 8. Now you have the value of first term. Value of first term is 8. Now you have first term and common difference. Now find the 29th term. 29th term. Again that formula, A is equal to A plus and minus 1 D. Now 29th term means here n is equal to 29. N is equal to 29. So A 29 is equal to A first term is 8 plus n means 29 minus 1 into common difference is 2. 8 plus 29 minus 1 means 28 into 2. 8 plus 28 to the 56. 8 plus 56 is 64. So 29th term is 64. That is your answer. Let us see next question. Next question is 10. The 17th term of an AP. Okay, first write this one. 17th term of an AP. For the solution. 17th term is A17. 17th term of AP A plus and minus 1 and here number of terms are 17 minus 1 into common difference D. So here you have A plus 16D. Okay. Okay. Now 10th term by 7. Let's forget it. First write 10th term. So first write with the help of the condition. 10th term is A10 is equal to A plus and minus 1 is and is here number of terms are 10 minus 1 into D common difference A plus 9D. A plus 9D. Now write according to your condition. Now start following your condition. Condition is 17th term of an AP. 17th term of an AP exceeds means greater, exceeds by 10th term. It is greater how much? By 7. It means it is greater by 10 term by 7. It is greater to 10 term by 7. It means this term has the value 7 more than of this term. So how will you make them equal? How will you make it? Suppose that you have 5 toffee more than me. If you have 5 toffee more than me, so how many toffees will you give it to me to make equal toffees? It means otherwise you will throw your 5 more toffees. Otherwise you also give me 5 more toffees. Then number of toffees will be equal. It means here the condition is same. This term has 7 more than this one. So what we will do? Otherwise you will subtract 7 in this. Otherwise add 7 on this one. Now calculate it. A minus A plus 16B minus 9B is equal to 7. A minus A cancel. 16B minus 9B is 7D is equal to 7. Then D is equal to 7 upon 7. 7 1 1. D is equal to 1. So here you can say common difference was, means the common difference is common difference is 1. That is your answer. Let us solve next question. Next question number is 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. This question is a special kind of questions. Okay. The series of AP is given 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. Number of terms is n is equal to 20. Very good. And last term here, last term is 253. Why have you given that much space? Let us see. Question is saying that find 20 term from the last. Till now we were solving questions taking this one was first term, but now here we will calculate from the last. When you will calculate the values from the last, then your last term will become first term, because you are solving your equation from the last. It means last term will become first term, and common difference will not be second term minus third term. No, common difference will be 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 means minus 1. Here we are going to calculate from the last. You can write also inverted series 253 and so on 38 3. Your series will be like this. Then you will find the common difference. Common difference will be 13 minus 8. Means second term minus means 8 minus 13. Otherwise 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. Then you will get your common difference minus 5. Now find the 28th term. Write the formula. An is equal to a plus and minus 1 into d. Then a third 20. A 20 is equal to a first term is here now 253 plus and means 20 minus 20 minus 1 into common difference d is minus 5. 253 plus 20 minus 1 means 19 into minus 5. Then 253 plus into minus means minus. So 19 5 95. 253 minus 95, then you will get 158. So your 20 term from the last is equal to 158. That is your answer. So from the question with these questions, just I am going to wind up your exercise. Okay, and in next video, just I will do something different with your exercise. Okay, so thank you and do hard work.